Here are 5 major e-commerce mistakes that are common across a lot of sites. If you're struggling to boost your e-commerce sales on your website, you might be making these 5 mistakes. Mistake number 1 is low website speed. And the reason why having a low website speed is not good is because consumers and shoppers expect a 3-second load time so they can go on to shopping and making sure they check out. One way you can optimize this is by looking at your images, make sure they're optimized, make sure you have enable your caching on your website, and make sure you have a super fast hosting provider. We use a tool called Pingdom that allows you to track the speed of your site and find out all the areas, what loads slow, what loads fast, and then you can send it to your developer and then have your developer update that. Okay, number 2, poor mobile optimization. Your site isn't mobile friendly? Well, you need to work on it. Half of the online shopping happening right now is mobile, and people want to see a site that's easy to navigate and works well on their mobile devices. Mistake number 3 is weak product descriptions. Don't just list features, but also focus on the benefits. Why would people buy that product from you? You know, one way to tell a good story is having great images and high quality videos to showcase it on your website. So think about that. Number 4, a complex checkout process. Let's not make that mistake. Let's keep it easy as possible for your customers to check out, but you want to make it least amount of steps as possible and give your customers all the options for payment. Mistake number 5 is lack of reviews on your product pages. Now you might have product pages on Amazon that have a lot of reviews, or maybe on Google reviews for your business, but you want to get it on your website when people are checking out. They're going to look for the influence of other people's comments to make their purchasing decisions. So make sure that if you have happy customers, get their reviews. I hope these simple fixes are going to help skyrocket your sales. If you want more tips, just keep following along with us on brandastic.com.